So just to do another example from exercise 607, I'm going to do question 3, and if you look at question 3 in your exercise 607, you'll be able to follow the question with me. The question says, wooden chairs cost $172 to make. So we can write that the cost price is going to be equal to $172. So that's the cost price of the wooden chairs. I'm asked to calculate the selling price. So I've got to calculate the selling price. I don't know what that is yet. If the chairs are marked up by 35% when sold. So we've got a markup of 35%. So what does that mean? If you've got a business, let's say, and you had chairs made and the cost of making those chairs cost you $172. You now want to sell those chairs and make a profit. So obviously you want to sell those chairs for more money than what it cost you to build or to construct. So obviously you want to sell them for a price. Your selling price has to be more than what it cost you. It's got to be more than $172. You want to make something, you want to get your money back plus a bit extra. Otherwise, you've got no extra money to pay for things like electricity and buy food and things like that. So normally you have a markup, which is a markup on top of, which is a percentage on top of your cost price. In this case, our markup is 35% of my cost price. What that means, I want to increase my cost price by 35%, and that will be my selling price. So what will my selling price be if I'm going to increase my cost price by 35%? Remember what we said, the cost price is my 100%, I want to increase it by 35%, so that total amount is going to be 100 plus 35, which is 135%, which I can write as 135 over 100, times my original amount, which is $172. Stick that in the calculator and that will give you your selling price, which is 135% of my original price, $172. And in the calculator, I get this as being $232.20, which makes sense. If it cost me if the chairs cost me $172 to make, I want to sell them obviously for more than that. If I sell them for $232.20, I've actually made 35% on top of what it cost me to make those chairs. And this now is my selling price of the chairs.